Hey Glow Getters! Welcome back to Pure Glow Creations. Are you ready for a challenge? Join our 7 days glass skin challenge and achieve flawless radiant skin in just 1 week. Let's get started. For this challenge, you'll need a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner, a serum with hyaluronic acid, a moisturizer, and sunscreen, plus some natural ingredients like aloe vera gel, honey, and green tea. Step 1. Cleanse with a gentle rice water cleanser to remove impurities and brighten your skin. Step 2. Exfoliate with a sugar and honey scrub to remove dead skin cells and reveal a fresh layer of skin. Step 3. Hydrate with a cucumber and aloe vera mask to deeply moisturize and soothe your skin. Step 4. Tone with a green tea toner to balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. Step 5. Nourish with a banana and yogurt mask to provide essential vitamins and nutrients. Step 6. Treat with a turmeric and honey spot treatment to reduce any blemishes or dark spots. Step 7. Glow with a final layer of a hydrating serum to lock in moisture and give your skin that glassy finish. Follow these steps for 7 days and you'll see amazing results. Your skin will look clearer, brighter, and more radiant, just like glass. Join me on this 7-day glass skin challenge and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and challenges from Pure Glow Creations. Let's glow together.